Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I am a banking and a payments consultant, and I will answer the question today of why FinCEN registration is important, and does a FinCEN registration constitute a money transmitter license? So let's address the second part, which is the most important one. A FinCEN registration is not a grant of a money transmitter license. It is simply a federal registration that every money services business has to do. If you are a MSB licensed in your state, whether you need an MTL license or not is a separate matter, but if you're an MSB in your state, you will need to register on a federal level with FinCEN. FinCEN stands for Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, and it is a body under the United States government's Department of Treasury. FinCEN registration is mandatory because it does reporting on a statewide level up to the federal level so that the government can keep track of all things, illicit funding, money laundering, terrorist financing, etc., and all that stuff. But many people make the mistake that they go to the FinCEN website, they register, they check on all the states that they are active in, and they assume that they've received now a money transmission license or an MTL. That is not the case. FinCEN registration, you're simply informing FinCEN that I am active in these states and that you will pursue the money transmitter licenses in those states separately. So registering on FinCEN is mandatory, but it does not grant you licenses for MTLs. I hope that answers the question. If you have any other question, hashtag askfaisalkhan, you should see it on the screen. Tweet it to me, or I will eventually have a page up for this on my website. But you can go to my website, faisalkhan.com. It's in the link below, and submit a form. And if you have a question to ask, I'll be happy to answer. It is very important to note that there is no federal licensing for MTLs in the United States. There is something of the OCC charter for FinTech charter, but that is not in place yet. The only licensing that you have is on a state level basis.